Good morning, class 4. I hope everyone is doing well. We have done with the 2 chapters of science. So today we will start with the 3rd chapter, that is clothes we wear. Everyone, please open your books at page number 34. Clothes we wear. In this chapter, we are going to study about the 3 main topics. First is need for clothes. Why do we need clothes? What is the importance of clothes in our life? Fibers and fabrics. What are clothes made up of? Care of clothes. How can we take care of the clothes so that they do not get damaged? Page number 34. Food, shelter and clothing are our basic needs. Clothes are made of materials that suit the weather of a place. So there are 3 basic needs: clothes, shelter and food. We cannot live, we cannot survive without these 3 needs. If anything is missing, any one thing is missing from it, our life is not possible. Can we live without food? No, we cannot live. Can we live without shelter? आप घर के बिना रह सकते हो? No. Can we live without clothes? No. We need clothes to cover our body. So these are the basic needs. Clothes, they are made up of materials that suit the weather of a place. Clothes ऐसे मटेरियल से बने होते हैं जहां पे भी आप क्लोथ्स, जिस तरह के क्लोथ्स पहनते हो कि वो उस वेदर को सूट करते हैं. Suppose people who are living in desert area, there is hot weather, and hot weather में कौन सा मटेरियल सूट करता है? कॉटन. So people who are living there, they wear cotton clothes. People who are living in hill stations or in the areas of snowfall, there is cold over there. So people who live there, they wear woolen clothes. So जो wool से बने होंगे मटेरियल से, वो वहां पे वैसे क्लोथ्स पहनेंगे क्योंकि woolen clothes they protect us from the cold. So clothes are made up of the materials that suit the weather of a place. जिस जगह का जैसा ही वेदर है उस जगह को सूट करने के लिए वैसे ही क्लोथ्स वो पहने जाते हैं. People wear different types of clothes. Name the following clothes. Color those that you would wear in winter. We know different people wear different types of clothes. Girls wear some different dresses. Boys wear some different clothes. So name the following clothes. Some clothes are given to you on the page number 34. Color those that you would wear in winter. Color those dresses over here that you wear in the winter season. See the pictures over here of the clothes. First, you will have to write the names of these dresses. Like, first one is kurta, Kurta. Second is your belt, belt. Frock, frock. Socks, socks. Next is midi dress, mididress. Shoe, shoe. Pant, pant. And this is sweater, sweater. Next is hat. This is hat, hat, hat. Cap, cap. This is a skirt, skirt, skirt. And the next one is jacket, jacket, jacket. So these are the names of the dresses. And you will have to color the winter ones that are worn in winter. आप कलर करोगे जो विंटर में पहनी जाती है इनमें से. यू विल डू योर सेल्फ. Now come to page number 35 of your books. Need for clothes. What is the need for clothes? Why do we wear clothes? First topic. We wear different clothes at different times of the day. We wear our uniform to school, loose comfortable clothes at home, and a night suit when we go to bed at night. So during the different phases of the day, different types of clothes are worn. You get up early in the morning, you brush your teeth, then you take bath, and then you get ready for the school. For going to school, you have different clothes. You have uniform to wear over there. You can't wear casual clothes in the school. Then, when you return back at home, you wear loose, comfortable clothes in which you feel comfortable, loose clothes. Then, when you go to before going to bed at night, you wear the night suit because you feel comfortable in the night suit during sleeping. So these are the different types of clothes that are worn during the different phases of the day. Can you wear night suit during the school time? No, you can't wear. Can you wear uniform during sleeping? No, you can't wear uniform. So different types of clothes, they are worn at the different times. We wear different clothes during different seasons. We wear light colored clothes made from cotton or linen in summer. Different seasons में भी different types के clothes पहने जाते हैं. In summer we feel hot. So to protect our body from the heat, what do we wear? We wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes ही पहनते हैं because cotton clothes हैं वो ठंडे होते हैं. They don't absorb heat. They reflect heat. That are light color. Light colored होने चाहिए वो. Light color means डार्क नहीं होने चाहिए वो. अगर लाइट कलर्ड है तो ज्यादा हीट नहीं एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे. ज्यादा हीट नहीं एब्जॉर्ब करेंगे तो हमें गर्मी नहीं लगेगी. दैट इज व्हाई वी वियर लाइट कलर्ड क्लोथ्स मेड अप ऑफ कॉटन इन द समर. मेड फ्रॉम कॉटन और लाइनन इन द समर. लाइनन जैसे कॉटन एक फाइबर है वैसे ही लाइनन भी एक फाइबर है. लाइनन इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द फ्लैक्स प्लांट. फ्लैक्स प्लांट ये एक फ्लैक्स नाम का प्लांट है, उससे लिया जाता है. We wear dark colored clothes made from wool in the winter. Now in the winter, what do we wear? We wear dark colored clothes made from the wool because in winter's cold season, it is cold season. We feel cold. To protect our body from the cold, what do we wear? We will wear dark clothes. Dark clothes, they will absorb more of the light. And when they will absorb more of the light, our body will absorb heat and it will keep us warm. We wear raincoats made from waterproof materials such as plastic or rubber during the rains. During the rainy season, we wear raincoats that are made up of plastic or rubber. जो प्लास्टिक या रबर से बने होते हैं. प्लास्टिक एंड रबर दे आर वाटरप्रूफ मटेरियल्स. वाटरप्रूफ मीन्स उनके अंदर पानी नहीं जाता. तो पानी नहीं जाता तो उनसे रेनकोट्स बनते हैं. तो अगर हम वो रेनकोट्स पहनेंगे ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन तो जो रेन का पानी है इट विल नॉट एंटर इन आवर body. So these are the different types of clothes that are worn during the different seasons. During summer, we wear light colored clothes made up of cotton or linen. During the winter, we wear dark colored clothes made up of wool because they protect us from the cold. And during the rainy season, we wear raincoats that are made up of waterproof materials such as plastic and rubber. We wear clothes for the following reasons. Now, why do we wear clothes? What is the need to wear clothes? First is we wear clothes to protect our body, to cover our body. Body को cover करने के लिए पहनते हैं. Other reasons क्या हैं? Let us see. Cotton clothes protect us from the heat of the sun and help to keep us cool. We know that during the summer season we wear cotton clothes. Why do we wear cotton clothes? Because cotton clothes, they absorb very less heat, and when they absorb very less heat, so they will keep our body cool. वो हमारी body को ठंडा रखेंगे और गर्मियों में हमें ठंडा फील होगा. That is why we wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Raincoats protect us from rain and help to keep us dry. Raincoats rainy season में क्यों पहनते हैं? Because they help to keep us dry. Because water it doesn't enter the raincoats and it will keep our body dry. Woolens protect us from cold and help to keep us warm. जो woolens हैं वो हमें cold से protect करते हैं और हमारी body को warm रखते हैं. That is why we wear woolens during the winter season. Wearing full-sleeved clothes can protect us from insects such as mosquito bites. Now, this is the season of insects. Much of the insects are coming at our homes now. Mosquitoes are coming, flies are coming. They can bite us. Mosquitoes can bite and cause malaria or different types of diseases. So, to protect our body from the insect bites, we wear full-sleeved clothes nowadays. सो फुल स्लीव क्लोथ्स ही हम पहनते हैं इन दिनों में क्योंकि ये इंसेक्ट्स का सीजन है और इंसेक्ट्स हमें बाइट करेंगे तो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिजीजेस होंगी हमें. तो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर वियरिंग फुल स्लीव्ड क्लोथ्स nowadays. So this is the importance of the full sleeved clothes nowadays. So we will read up to here only. Please read the 2 paragraphs that we have read today. And the homework I have given you to color the different dresses that are worn in winter. And one more homework that is on page number 36. Let's remember. Write S for summer, W for winter, and R for rainy season to sort when you will wear each of the following clothes. What you have to write? Some clothes are given on the left hand side. On the right hand side, you will write S in front of the cloth that is worn in summer. W that is worn in winter and R that is worn in rainy season. This is also your homework you will do, then we will discuss in the next lecture. So thank you and have a nice day.